Good. Santé. I'm just going to put these in water, which is going to boil. Ta-da! There's the chestnuts. I just want them cooled off because otherwise I can't peel them. And here the lentils, I think they're good too. I just turn them off. Okay, I'm going to prepare the artichokes. I'm going to chop the head off. Take off all the leaves and cut them in 4 and put them in water with lemon. That way they don't go dark. There. Okay, so we cut it about here. That looks good. And right after I cut it, I put it in the water. And then I take out the outer leaves, dunk them in so it doesn't get dark. And the stem, also the stem is really good. These are actually really nice. In there. I have 7 more to go. We have a bit of butter going and we're just gonna lightly cook the artichokes in it. It's on really low heat. And we close it. So we are on the lentil and chestnut mash. Sounds really bizarre, but in 2 seconds I can try the idea. Non, c'est bon. Non, c'est bon, mais peut-être, ouais. Rajoute un peu de lentilles. So we're now trying to make a mountain of mash in the middle. It should look like a dish from the last century. That's the idea. I don't know if it was just the drawings because I didn't see photos. I just saw drawings. Look, that is starting to look like a spaceship. And we have to put the dish directly into the water because it's gonna stick like crazy. Artichokes. Ça, il n'y a personne qui l'a regardé. Hop. Attends. Une photo et moi il faut que je m'occupe de la sauce.